Hey, welcome to Rhinodilla Designs YouTube channel. I'm Robert, and I'm waiting for Hannah right now, but we're in the middle of a shop build, and this is our next video installment of documenting that series. So, if you've not seen any of our videos so far, click the little icon up in the corner. I'm going to have a card. That way you can find the shop build series and get caught up. But basically, where things stand right now, we've got to do a few things to prep for professionals to come in and help us out. We're just running out of time and capability to do things on our own right now with work and other responsibilities coming up. So that's what we're going to do today. If this is your first time here, thank you for tuning in. Give this video a like, it really helps. We're trying to get build our following, that way we can get monetized and actually, you know, have a little bit of revenue coming off of this. Leave a comment down below if you're a subscriber and you would like a little bit more content in the form of us setting up a Patreon. I've been kind of toying with that idea. I don't know if it's the right time to do it, or you know, maybe there's not a right time to do it, but I've just been toying with that idea. So if you're interested in that, definitely drop me a comment below. That way I know I can kind of gauge what that interest level is. But thank you for tuning in, and here we go into this video. Alright, and here I am just loading up the light fixtures that I'm about to install during this video. And basically what's gonna happen, I'm putting up these lights in preparation for our electrician to come in and run the electrical out to these lights, and that way everything can get hooked up and ready to go. That way we can get the spray foam insulation installed. So yeah, that's what's happening. I'll let you enjoy the rest of the video. That's it.
Last one.
Whew.
See how crooked your hat is?
Do you see how crooked my hat is?
It's more crooked the more work you had to do.
It's true. My hat ends up about right here every single time I wear it, and I have to constantly just straighten it out.
It's not cooperating.
And that's any hat. That's not just this hat. This is any hat. My head's weird. Anyways, it is really hot out here.
And humid.
And I am very much looking forward to our insulation being done and mini split being put in and all the things. That way we can actually work out here and not burn up or freeze. So
we are very close to being workable.
We are. We're so close. So, but you saw us get the lights up. That's gonna be it. We're about to kind of do a walkthrough real quick and take notes for our electrician on what we would need to have him do. That way, everything's prepped for the installation, and then we'll have our insulation company come out and spray foam this thing. And then we're gonna be hiring a heat and air company to do the mini split for us, because I don't want to mess with the coolant and stuff. I just don't want to mess with that. So
I think our next video might be like getting stuff put in. Like, and as much as I can, I will film the professionals doing their professional work, but I don't like to get in the way of things, so you may see some of that, but definitely we'll have a walkthrough of the finished product before we start sheathing and stuff. And sheathing may be a minute before we actually do that, but after we get the insulation done and the mini split in, this is basically a workable shop at that point. So I'm really excited about it.
Yep, not finished, but workable.
Not finished, but workable, and that's the goal for the summer.
Yeah.
Oh man, so I'm good. I'm good with that. Glad that we're getting progress made. The dog's gonna be disappointed that way because he doesn't have.
Dog, what are you doing?
He's eating a plant.
There's a plant growing up inside.
Yeah, it happens.
Spray foam.
Spray foam will take care of a lot of that stuff. The spiders getting in, the ants and everything else. So we're glad that you joined us on this video. If you didn't catch the other episodes that we've done leading up to this point, there will be a card up in the corner here that you can click on and take you to that playlist if you want to see our progress from start to finish, basically, and catch up with that. We've got some other videos coming out that are more art-based and project-based, so be on the lookout for those. You got anything going on?
It's almost summer. Then I'll have stuff going on.
Yeah, we'll have some pottery videos and stuff come out as soon as we get this shop workable and everything. So I also stream on Twitch a little bit with some friends. I'll have a link in the description below if you ever want to catch that. And our big thing right now is that we have a podcast. So if you want more of us and not necessarily talking about shop stuff or art stuff, but mainly
Driving Thoughts.
It's Driving Thoughts. The podcast name is Driving Thoughts. You can search for it basically anywhere except Apple Podcast for now. I mean, maybe by the time this video comes out, it'll be on Apple. I'm not sure. But Google Podcasts, Anchor, Spotify, pretty much anywhere you get your podcast, you can search for Driving Thoughts. I'll have a link to the Anchor website down in the description below as well. But that's it for now. We'll catch you guys very soon, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already. Give this video a like, and until next time, we'll see ya.